Why everything is not full screen? I don't know why.
Can you check if this frame is live?
So Pritam is doing today's live, right? Pritam, are you there?
Hello.
Yeah, Ananta, you're audible. Pritam, are you there?
Yes, yes, but I do not in live stream.
Sorry,
Can you even check if the live is on the link and
let
the
me
WhatsApp
check.
group?
Just 1 minute. Yeah, we are live now.
Cool.
Okay, good evening, everyone. Welcome to Rapid Wednesday, our weekly discussion session about Rapid, about latest feature of Rapid, about new projects of Rapid, and everything. And today we have our key speaker Ananto, who is actually show us the practical guide how to we can contribute in a community, in an open source community in Rapid. So we'll start in few minutes. Just we'll wait for other if if any other contributor join the meet. And we're also live in YouTube. Ananto, can you please turn on your camera? It will be great if you turn on your camera. Then everyone can see us. I'm
Yeah,
also
I will in
turning
couple of
on my camera. Just a minute. So today's rapid Wednesday agenda was, oh sorry, agenda is first our key speaker on will present about contributing rapid the practical guide. Then we have a Q&A session. Then our rapid maintainer and also contributor Pritam Ba will show his project, what he actually done in last week. Then we have a general feedback session and Q&A session. So that's it. So here is the program detail. Okay, it's 10:03, so we can start from 10:05 actually. And I'm requesting everyone, if possible, please turn on your camera. It feels so very real when you turn on camera. It's not supposed to be in webinar. We'll upcoming few weeks we'll schedule a meetup, physical meetup, and also other our speakers, Mr. Ananto, Mr. Pritam. Requesting you both to please turn on camera while presenting. Okay, so it's 10:05. I think we should start now. Ananto, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Just a couple of minutes.
Okay. Again, good evening, everyone. I can see we have Neela also in our session. And I am again requesting everyone, if possible, please turn on your camera. So as Ananto is fixing his like machine, like he, I guess Ananto, is there any problem? I guess you're setting your things right. So as is, it's a normal discussion for rapid contributors. So is everything what is going on in everyone's rapid project? Can anyone want to share what projects you guys are actually doing and what do you face in while working with Rapid? Is there any uh, experience you want to share with us? So I guess everyone is a very serious developers and contributors who actually do not want to share their experiences.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, no, they're audible.
Yes. Am I visible properly?
Yeah, yeah, visual also.
Good. So yeah, what was I was doing is like taking me out of the rapid organizations for demonstration purposes.
Sorry.
Yeah. Uh, was I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Sorry, I just don't recognize the thing you are telling me last
No.
time.
Uh, so let me share my screen.
Yeah, obviously. The stage is yours, Ananto.
Hi guys, is my screen visible? No, it's not.
Yeah, no, their screen is visible.
Yeah. So today we will see that how anyone can contribute to the rapid framework. So for every open source projects, there are some rules. So like there are some set of rules that you have to follow and some guidelines that you need to follow to contribute to the project. Okay, just a second. Getting interrupted. It's my mom. Sorry. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, no, they're audible.
Am I audible? Yeah, cool. So I'm really sorry for the interruption. Uh, so today we will see like how we can contribute to the rapid framework. There are some set of rules that we need to follow to contribute to any open source project. And Rapid is also a open source framework. So I will give you guys a practical demonstration. What are the things you all need to do to get started? So here, I have a sample issue for you guys. Uh, so before that, uh, suppose you faced some kind of problem in the Rapid Framework. Uh, Rapid Framework uses a few packages for the components. The core components use the core package. So suppose you have a problem, like there are lots of issues in the core package, and you want to get started, like you want to contribute. So you can go to our issues for any projects. Like in the Rapid Framework, you will find lots of issues. Yeah, there are lots of issues. We are looking for contributors. Or also in guide module, you guys will find there are 64 open issues. For demonstration purpose, I have a issue in the core package. So here the issue says data display code input props not working. So I just created this issue right now. Uh, Here the input props on core input is not working. So this is the issue that is present here. Now, if I want to get started and this issue, I will I will first see like what is the exact issue. Before that, I will open the code and we will go to the development branch. Right now in Rapid Framework, all the packages that you are using are published from the development branch. Okay, so uh, we will find the core input. Here we have the core input. Hmm. So in core input, what was the issue? Here it says that input props on core input not working. So we will see what can be the problem that code input, like input process not working, the code input. Here, this is the component for code input. We have our own util functions that we are using here and the other code components. If we go down below, like we can see there's a sanitize component props functions. And if we go down more below, you can find that there is an array which contains elements which has the prop names. So
part of this graphic framework. So I already know that what sanitize
Ananta, your
what's
voice is
called and what
your
are
voice is not
these.
coming clearly. Audible.
Okay, I think my voice is audible. Hello.
Ananta, your
Hello.
voice is too low to hear. Can you please fix your mic? Okay, I guess Anto have some issue with his mic. We will resume our discussion about how we can actually contribute in a issue in Rapid. Actually, it's how why we can how why should we contribute in Rapid or how we should fix any bug in any open source community. I guess actually we it's actually I'm telling it's for the new contributors who actually just start their journey with Rapid or any other open source community. Uh, in our daily life, we work in many things. Yeah, we study also many things. But when it comes to implement the things, we feel lack of confidence. Like I can't do it properly, or I don't know the technology to fix the thing. No, you don't actually. Everyone is not come with a huge brain or huge knowledge. We have to work with that thing more. Then we can get the knowledge and we can fix the thing. So
Hello.
hello, yes,
Animista,
Pritam.
yeah, I think your audio is, I think there is,
Is it clear now, Pritam?
yeah, audio is clear, but I think it's repeat two times.
It repeat two times. Okay.
No, it's not coming
hello.
on my end.
Uh,
I think
so I
Pritam,
think there
you
was some
have
kind of
you have
problem
something.
in my audio side.
I
So
think
till when
Pritam,
you
you have.
guys could hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you, Ananto.
Like till which portion you guys heard me?
If you share your screen, I can guide you though.
Sorry for the interruption. Can you guys hear me properly?
Yeah, we can hear you on image.
Sorry, I guess I have also the mic issues.
I didn't find any mic issues on your end till
Oh,
now.
okay. I think I should
Hello.
stop. Yeah,
So,
Ananta, you are audible and you are visible also, and your screen is also visible. You can continue.
Can anyone,
so we are talking about the code
hello guys,
first.
heard me?
Look through the issues and then we find the exact component or code, particular file that you are showing us, that code input.js.
Okay. Yeah. So I think I should continue from here. How I know that issue is in this valid props portion. Uh, since I'm already a community member uh, and part of the Rapid framework, that's why I know what this function does and what are this. When you guys find anything like this, you guys can just go through the code and find these functions from here. And if you guys like have just comment on the issues, and our community will get back to you. Like all the we have four contributors. They will sure reach out to you. Yeah, the issue was that input props wasn't working. So here we have valid props and invalid props, which says which are the props that can be used with this code input. In short, so I will find the problematic input prop. I will just do this name and will this work? No, I think this won't work for you. I will have to manually search the input prop.
I think we don't have any input props in code input.
Oh, we don't?
Mm.
Hmm, I think we did. Like after seeing an example, I made this one. Okay, then I guess it was actually for another component. So, okay, no problem. So suppose here, this is a component uh, that is max rows. So for now, I will just change this. I will go to the, I will change this issues for the demonstration purpose. Change it to max rows. Here in max rows props, we have types. And in type, there's a double quoted string. And in that double quoted string, there are two types using a pipe. But here, you can't write it this way. So the correct way is to have two types for this. Like one will be in this array there will be object and we will have key number. Then we will have same thing for the string. So we have an issue to fix and we will now see how we can contribute. I'm just checking if there was input. Cool. There isn't any. So this is my issue. To get started, first I will need to fork this. Here I will create a new fork. Okay, it seems I already have a fork. For now, I will just remove it. Cool. Now I don't have a fork of it. Now I will create a new fork. We will have to make sure to remove this check mark. We need all the branches. Okay. Like basically we need the development branch here. Now we will create the fork. It will take just a couple of seconds. Voila. Now we have the fork of the code project. So now I will clone this project. Here I have my VS Code. I will clone my project. Okay. There's some okay. I forgot ticket clone. So by using git clone and the URL, I can clone this project. While it's cloning, I will go here and create a issue branch for this. And like, what are issue branches? Here you can find contributing MD file, where you will find all the rules for contributing to Rapid. We will have to create a branch for the issue. And the naming convention is this, like WRPD, then the kind of fix you are doing, and the issue number. And make sure to use the exact keywords. For example, WRPD feature 1. Now I will create a branch. Hyphen fix. And what is the issue number here? You saw? Anyone remember? It's 352.
Sorry.
Okay, you guys can stop me wherever you have doubts. Okay.
I guess everyone is looking your screen, so
So
you can.
here, while creating a branch, we will select the source as development. And now we will create a new branch. 352. Yep, 352. Voila. Now I have my branch ready. Uh-huh. Let's see if I have this ready. Yeah, that's cloned. So I will cd into code and the code project. I will just add this into my workspace for my own. Just a second. Okay, it's not giving me here like that. Never mind. So now I will check out my issue branch. Hit check out. Before that, I will need to pull because I created that branch later. I'll wrap this down. Hit checkout, and then paste. Now I'm in my branch. Before working on any Rapid project, what I will do is run npmi once. This will take a couple of seconds or minutes depending on your bandwidth. So while this is installing, we will see the folder structure. For code package, this is the folder structure. Here outside we have package.json and the log files and the contributing readme file, change log, these are and these are the configuration files for the barrel and builds. And yeah, we also have linting rules. So for this, we have the configuration file. In the package folder, we have the actual contents of the project. And in outside package folder, we have basically the development tools related files and the packages. Okay, while this installs, I will just start my fix. So here, I will go to package. In package, I will go to components. Here in the issue, it was written the problem was in inputs. I will go here and I will go to current. By the way, in this session, I won't be discussing like what are these codes exactly. The goal of this session is to make you guys familiar with how you guys can contribute to go through the contribution process. Here
So
we have
there
the
is one
maps of
doubt from
jobs.
my side.
Yeah,
Sorry to interrupt. On as you told, I can ask doubt in
yeah,
by
sure.
switching to. So I have one doubt. So as you are telling how we can contribute in any issue of GitHub in Rapid. So is there any documentation we have in Rapid like a guide as you telling us the thing? There is any document guide we can
We
follow for
have a
the
contributing MD file
okay.
here.
So why we
This
can
has a
right?
basic This has a basic documentation of how you can get started to contribute. And this is really basic, and there are still work that needs to be done. So, yeah, suggestions are really welcome. This is the contributing MD file.
Okay,
Here
okay.
you have generalized contributing guidelines for the Rapid framework.
Okay, okay. Thank you for
This is for the
specifying.
just
Thank you.
Rapid framework. Yeah, this is from the Rapid framework. And if you guys are making another project or like working on different open source project, rules can be different.
Okay, thank you, Ananta, for
I
this.
think I mentioned this before. Cool. Uh,
Oh, I can, I guess, click this.
yeah. So here I'm making the fix. I won't go into details like what is exactly happening. So here I have type spring, and I will remove this string from here. That's all. This should be fixed. And I'm still waiting for this to get installed. I think today my bandwidth is really not with me. I will just cancel this. Sometimes this happens with my VS Code. What I will do is like open the system's terminal. You guys don't need to follow this. This is an extra step that I'm doing. Voila. That was the problem with the VS Code terminal. Yeah, now my repository is ready for contribution. So here, this is my change. Before committing, what I will do is I will first check my branch. This is my branch. Now I will just proceed to commit. So here I have a tool that's called conditional commits. We will learn about like why we use this later in later sessions. For now, here this is a bug fix, so I'm just writing fix. And this is for a core component. I will apply the fix emojis. Emojis like and nowadays emojis looks nice to use and makes it looks good and makes the commit easily identifiable what kind of it is, what kind of commit. So here I will write fix um, fix for input min rows. We create separate type for format for min rows. I think in issue I wrote max rows. This is the same case with the max rows. For this demo, and I'm just doing this one. And here I will add the reference of the issue number as 352 and the reference number of the issue. And now I will commit. Okay, I forgot to stage it. My bad. I stage it. Now I will commit. It looks like that your work is done, but it's not over. After pushing, you guys will see some kind of issues. I have pushed it. So in my repository, I think it should be here. Yeah. I should be able to see the code. Yeah, it is pushed. This is my commit. And this is the issue number that's showing you. And now I will create a pull request. The base branch will be development always. Here I will write, for better understanding, I will add, this is a input component. I will write inputs here, then slash core input, uh, Windows prop. I will write a description. This pull request access main rows prop that prop using different different types of main rows. And I will put the issue number here. And if this issue is related to another any issue, so I can put it here. Right now, I don't have any related issues, so I'm keeping it blank or nil. And we haven't done any kind of testing. And these are the checklists that we'll see on the latest versions. Like what are these? For now, I will just create pull request and make sure to check this. Okay, so looks good. I will just create my pull request. Or if you think there are still some changes that are required, you can just do create draft pull request. I'm just creating my pull request. So now the pull request is ready. But is my pull request like good enough to go into the development branch of Wrappid Framework? Does it follows the coding guidelines? Does my code follows project style guidelines and best practices? Or is there anything else that we need to do if we follow the coding standards? This we'll discuss in later sessions. So for now, you guys have a pull request ready in the Rapid Code project. And yeah, if you guys have any reviewer in mind, you can just put it here. For example, I'm putting Pritam as reviewer. That's all. In next session, we will see how how these issues are created and like what are the uh, rules for like what are the best practices for code quality. So that's all for today. If you guys have any questions, you guys can ask.
Okay, Ananta. So I have one another question for you. So
Yeah.
as you telling the last line that the contributors have to tag someone for the code review part. So as you
Hmm.
tag Pritam IT
Hmm.
2023 for
Yeah.
reviewing your code. So if
Hmm.
anyone have any don't have any friends or any other contributors to tag to as reviewer, So what? So who they can tag? Like they can tag you or any other our maintainers or anyone who actually can they can tag to their pull request.
They, yeah. For this, they can tag the core contributors or core maintainers of the Rapid project. Here in maintainers, you can find me. Right now, I'm not the maintainer. I just kicked myself out from the Rapid organization.
Oh,
So
okay.
yeah, yeah,
You are
for
showing the
testing
link.
purpose. So you guys can like put me or the others or the Rapid/code team. There's a team. I don't know if it will show here. No, it is not showing here. So what you guys can do also, you can put the Rapid care here if you guys don't have anyone particular in mind, or you guys can leave this empty too.
So we can.
Or
So
if
the
you know
contributor can
anyone
tag.
in particular, then you guys can put their tag.
Sorry.
This is not compulsory. This portion is
Oh, this isn't compulsory.
like,
Okay.
no, this isn't compulsory. Like if you have anyone in mind where whom you want that this code should be reviewed, like if you had any kind of solution or interaction, or if they worked on this before, or you had a discussion, then you made changes, then you can like add them in this portion.
Okay. Okay, so thank you for clearing this up. Okay. So, guys, if you have any question to Ananto related anything about contribution or any other thing that's Ananto shows, you can ask. Then we can go to our next part of our today's rabbit session. Guys, anyone have any questions? Okay, I guess everyone is a great contributor, so they have done questions. They are already in their desktop or a laptop. Where they are just writing the code and just pushing, giving you the pull request and telling you Ananto. Okay, so
Yeah, but that won't be the end. There are more steps that needs to be followed that I will discuss in future sessions.
okay.
This is
So we,
just like how you are just getting started, how you are just going to give a pull request for the Rapid project.
so this is the
And
part
there are
one.
more like the
Part
code
one.
formatting questions, yeah, which will come in future.
Okay, so I guess we should go to the next part. So, what actually we get from Ananto's presentation? As we can see, Ananto faced a lot of issues with his mic, internet, and also he is very tired as long day. But the passion he follows for the Rapid, he actually shows the very crucial thing for every contributors how they can actually contribute in Rapid. Like we have the documentation as Ananta already told us also also shows us we have the documentation to follow, but he's actually like a video guide for today's session. He actually shows how a contributor can actually fork, then change the code, then push, then get pull request. It's amazing. And also uh, just okay. Yeah, sorry for the interruption. I just get a mail. Sorry. So thank you, Ananto. Thank you for this
Yeah.
amazing guiding tour. We love that, and I get and if you and just like me, if you have any problem, but you are not in our Google Meet and you are joining from our YouTube live, if you want to join, you can join in our Rapiders community WhatsApp group or our any other social media platform. You can get the Google Meet link, then you can join here and ask your questions and clear your questions. And uh, if you are not capable enough to sorry not comfortable to join Google Meet, then you can ask our any doubt in our mail also rapid.framework@gmail.com. Okay. It's a part on the issuing, be a part of the community, explore the newest trends in the technology, be part of the materializing an idea, sense of accomplishment, give back to the community. Yes, you also giving to the community back. Build your network, you build your portfolio, learn and improve your skills, gain experience. Thank you, Ananto, for this amazing session. Okay, I guess we should go to our next part of the session, show and tell.
Yeah.
So we have our next speaker, Pritam Bach. who is a actively contributor and amazing contributor who actually uh, doing a lot of things in every week and shows amazing things. Pritam, are you there?
Yeah,
Okay. Pritam, can you please turn on your camera? It's a humble because as many of us are curious to see you, what actually Pritam looks like.
yeah. But currently, I cannot turn on my camera. From next season, I will try to turn.
Okay, okay, no issues. Pritam, can you please share your presentation? Okay, Pritam is
Yeah,
sharing his presentation.
yeah. My screen is visible.
Yeah, yeah, Pritam, your screen is visible.
So basically, in the past week, I have done not so much contribution to the Rapid. So I have basically worked with Rapid component, and I have done the documentation portions of core snack bar, core linear focus, and core skeleton. So here is the updated code of the core snack bar. In the core snack bar, I updated all the basic documentation portion. So here is the code of core snack bars, and here is also the code of core linear focus documentation, which have been successfully merged to the Rapid. And here is the update code of code snack bar, which is a new props and by passing push snack message functionality, we can add new functionalities which I cannot display what is the functionality as the code is not merging to the Rapid main. So here is only the code. After the merging, we can actually view what is happening. So this is the code actually. So there is a lot of work I am actively contributing, but in current situation, I cannot display those works as those works are still in progress. So other than the Rapid component portion, I am working with Rapid intro video. So I am creating a script for videos of Rapid introduction portion. So that's it. I think there is not so much from my side. So I am trying to complete all those of ongoing tasks. I think I will showcase all the tasks in the next rapid section. So that's all from my side.
Thank you, Pritam. Thank you, and thank you for this amazing thing you share
Yeah.
as you did all great things in last week. And I know there are also other contributors who are actually working in Rapid to stable our framework, and also they are building their own projects with Rapid. So, guys, I have just shared a Google form with you, where is the actually a feedback form. You just share your experience how we can better our this Rapid Wednesday more better for you. Okay. So, is there any questions? So, is the last part of our session is the general feedback session and the normal question answer session. So, I'm requesting everyone, please share your experiences and if you have any questions related to Rapid or Rapid contributor guide or any other thing, what actually Pritam shows, so you can ask.
If you guys just noticed that Pritham
Shared
shared
his
his
screen,
screen,
and
and
Ananta,
you guys saw
that
that
his
his
code
code
was.
was,
Ananta, sorry,
yeah.
your
Oh,
Oh,
I'm
I'm
really
really
sorry.
sorry.
Hello.
yeah, yeah, or you're not audible from one account. Sorry. No, no, yeah, actually, yeah,
Hello.
now it's,
Now is it better?
yeah, yeah,
Well,
it's
so
better.
what you guys just saw, like Pritham did some work, and it's still not in the development branch. So yeah, This was a you guys can say this was a real example. Like he already coded, but the code wasn't ready to be merged in the development branch. So he's waiting for the reviews and validation if this code is all right and for the checks. This is a good example.
Okay, so I guess
Yeah.
he deserve a
He's waiting. He's probably waiting for reviews and the checks to get all green before it goes to development. Okay, Animesh, you can
yes.
take over.
Yeah, thank you, Ananta. So, I guess no one will have any questions for to this week rapid session, and it's already 11. It's 59. It's already 11, and I know it's a very hectic day for all of us. Everyone is busy on their work, in their college, or in their office. But it's a great thing. We can take some time, and we get some time to join our rapid session, and we discuss about some thing about rapid, what actually is going on in rapid, or what actually we are building, and other contributors who are doing great things with rapid. So this is for this week rapid session. We'll join again next week with new topic, with some new projects, amazing projects actually. What actually Pritam actually just showing some fabulous projects from last 3 weeks. Is That's like, if some other contributors also suggest us that we should start a concept of badge concept, for who is contributing most, he get a badge. Then Pritam will be the number one contributor who will get the badge, as he is participating in every show and tell. Okay, and Ananto, thank you for your time and this great, lovely session as you share with us the thing how we can actually contribute in Rapid. So, okay, thank you for joining, everyone. Have a good night, and we'll again meet next Wednesday at start 10 p.m. and we'll discuss about more about Rapid and about how the low code, no code Rapid framework will uh, build the future of world. Thank you for joining.
Yeah,
Have a good day.
yeah.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, everyone.